Russ here, RVerTV. Good morning. Today is March 19th, Tuesday morning. Check it out. Heading down Q in here. I'm going to go have a little fun. I need a break. Tired of working on this van. Actually, let's go use it. I got the solar cooker in the back. Let's go check this thing out. It's only about 8:30 in the morning, kind of early. Gonna head down Central here. I'm not going very far. I'm just gonna go up here to the edge of town, park. Let's throw out that cooker and see what we can do. Picture perfect weather. It's going to be mid-80s the end of the day. Big cold front moving through. Going to drop down to 70s and a lot of wind tomorrow. Absolutely perfect time of year to be here in the desert. I don't know why people leave so early. They're missing the best part of the desert right now. Ready, gonna make a left. This is Tyson Drive. Right there on the right is the fire department. This is as far as I'm going. I'm gonna park right over here by the big quartzite sign. I like it here. I've set up here. This is a place I take a lot of sunset photos. It's just absolutely picture perfect. No power lines in the way. Just a great place to set up. I'll pull around here, give you a shot of the sign. I'm going to park here off to the right, get set up, and I shall return. Look at the few clouds. I swear. This sign is probably one of the most used selfie signs. This thing gets a ton of pictures taken. People sit on it and get their picture of the camels and the quartzite. This is Central Avenue. Look at it. It is just a busy, busy road. But look at them clouds. My goodness. As soon as I grab that solar cooker, they come out. Aren't those signs cool? There's one in each end of town. There's 4 of them. But this one here is probably the most popular for picture taking. Then you can see here, look at the setup for a sunset photo. The sun sets straight ahead. That's why I like coming out here a lot. Alrighty, the solar's working on the van, keeping the batteries charged up. There is the solar cooker. Today is Solar Tuesday. Gonna cook with solar, charge with solar. I brought my laptop too. I'm gonna take care of a little business while I'm waiting for the stuff to cook. Let me get set up. Yeah, I'll just use one of my good tubs to set it on. Look at that, that's perfect. That thing is cold, below 100. The thermometer starts at 100, so. But it's, look at the cloud. Goodness. Blue sky everywhere except right where the sun is. Oh well, it'll break up, I'm sure. Okay, getting the laptop set up here. I'm gonna go check the cooker. I'm sure it's still cold. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna move it to the other side of the van. Yeah, hadn't come up at all yet. Still pretty chilly. But check it out. Got the inverter on right there. Power cord, there's the laptop. Everything running off solar. Solar panel on the roof of the van, producing the energy. Well, let's go back in the van. I got something I got in the mail yesterday. Some people sent it to me. I want to open it up and we'll check it out. Okay, this is from Patriot. They specialize in prepper supplies. This is our Patriot power cell. They sent it to me. It's supposed to be extremely rugged. It'll charge with, it's got its own solar cell on it. These guys are out of Nashville, Tennessee. I'll put a link in the description for it. The reviews on it. There it is, Patriot power cell. 10,000 milliamp. 1.5, wow, 1.5 solar power. Huh. Yeah, let's pull it out of the box, see what it looks like. Not bad. Alright, my one-handed unboxing. There's a light on it already. Little compass. Little clip-on compass there. That's kind of cool. There's a charger cord. You can charge it off a battery or it has a solar panel on it. Let's get this thing out and see what it looks like. Not bad. Looks like it's partly charged. Hard rubber case. There's a solar collector right there. Solar panel. Little LED light on the back. Get a little instructions. You can either charge it with the cord or just let the unit lay in the sun. It'll charge itself, and that's what I plan on doing. The LED, it's got a power on and off switch. Extremely well built. This thing's supposed to be waterproof. We will put it to the test over the next few weeks. See how we like it. Alright, so there's the 4 Patriot power cell, handheld one. Easily charge phones and whatever with it. Okay, let's go check out, see how the cooker's doing. Okay, it's 9:36. Been out there cooking for a while. I moved it around the other side of the van. And you can see the sun's out a little bit better. What we got? Almost 200. Cool. Let's cook some eggs. Brought some hamburger meat and some eggs. And I have a couple of those tins ready to put in that cooker. Brought some spray, that olive oil spray stuff. Keep them from sticking. Spray these down. I'm just going to do the eggs first, then I'll do the burgers second. Okay, I can't do this one-handed. Let me turn the camera off. There's the eggs. I'll put the stick. Well, let's do 3 of them. Let's see how it works. Be right back. Right, just like on TV, there's 3 eggs in an aluminum pan that's going to go in a solar cooker. Hey, why not? All right, let's get them out there and get them cooking. They're in. Let's see how they do. We'll time it out. I'll be back in a bit. Okay, it's only been a few minutes. I want to check them real quick, see if they're doing anything at all. Hey, look at that. They're starting to cook. So that's been what, about 10 minutes? Okay. They're cooking. It's gonna work. It's not quite 30 minutes, and let's see. They are done. Look at it. Them eggs are cooked. It's not like frying them or anything, but they're cooked. Let's go taste them. Get out. Cooked eggs with a solar cooker. See how it tastes. I'm trying to hold the camera. Hang on. Oh yeah, there you go. There goes Care Flight helicopter. I can really hear that thing. There it is. Probably gonna go save a life. Cool. Okay, burgers next. I'll get it in a pan here. And we'll get this thing cooking. Just made them like patties. I don't even have any seasoning with me. I just want to see if they cook. Right, burgers going in. I forgot to get the time. We'll go in the van and get the time real quick. Okay, start cooking. Start time 10:36. I'm guessing an hour. We'll see how it works out. Okay, I've been yakking on the phone. 11:50. See if them things are done. Yeah, what's that make it? A little over an hour and 10 minutes. Yeah, I've been on the phone for a little bit. Alright, let's go check it out. Hopefully they're done. What was that? 10:30, 10:40, 11. Yeah, hour 10 minutes. Wow, yeah, the heat came up. Oh yeah. Check it out. They look done to me. Let's go try it. Where's my fork? Yep, cooked all the way through. Look at that. The thing works. Yep, it tastes okay. I'll be darned. We cooked eggs and burger. Really? Didn't take that long. Huh. In conclusion, solar cooker works, and it works good. You need to sun up a little bit during the day. That thing is still warm on the inside. It really radiates some heat. The eggs cooked in what? Less than 30 minutes. The burger was probably done earlier, about an hour. Definitely needs seasoning. So, but that was a good experiment. Solar on the van. Laptop's all powered up. Everything's solar today. Solar cooking. Solar energy. We're testing out that Ford Patriot solar pack. Got the laptop going. Not bad, huh? Well, this was fun. I really enjoyed this morning. I need to do more of this. Okay, walk over. I'll give you a last look at the sign here. Along this busy street, man. The traffic's roaring by. Alright, this is Russ signing off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk soon.